Unveiling the Magic of a Heat Sealer. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where learning English is both easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you might come across in everyday life or industrial settings: heat sealer. What is it? How is it used? And why is it important to know? Stay with us to uncover the meaning and usage of this term. The phrase, heat sealer, refers to a machine or device used to seal packaging by applying heat and pressure. When you seal something, you close it tightly so that nothing can enter or escape. A heat sealer can be used to seal various types of packaging materials, like plastic bags, to keep the contents inside fresh and free from contamination. A heat sealer typically consists of heating elements, the parts that get hot and melt the plastic; sealing bar, the part that presses down on the packaging; timer or control unit. This allows the user to set how long the heat is applied, depending on the material thickness. Understanding these parts can help you better grasp how the device functions as a whole. Heat sealers are not just for big factories. They are also used in many daily situations. Here are some examples. In the kitchen, to reseal food bags. In businesses, to package products for sale. In manufacturing, to ensure products are tamper-proof. Knowing about heat sealers is useful because it helps explain how everyday products are packaged and protected. Using a heat sealer is a straightforward process. 1. Place the edge of the bag into the sealer. 2. Close the sealer to heat and press the bag. 3. Hold it closed for the designated time. 4. Release and check the seal for security. Understanding this process is beneficial, especially if you're interested in manufacturing, packaging, or even culinary arts. I hope this video sheds light on what a heat sealer is and how it's used in different scenarios. It's always fascinating to learn how common items are made and the technology behind them. If you found this information useful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more English learning content. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.